how to set live timers and countdowns on Discord. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we'll show you how you can set up live timers and countdowns in Discord. First, you need to go ahead and open the Discord application, or you can go to discord.com, log into your account. Now simply go ahead and open a web browser or another tab and search for Hammer Time. This is a third-party application that lets you say dates, times, live timers, and countdown. In Hammer Time, you can select a specific date and time and choose a time zone from anywhere in the world. You can also select the chat syntax, which shows you how the timer will appear in the Discord. So to use this, click on the icon with the person and the clock, then copy the link from the hammer. Once it is copied in your clipboard, and open your Discord server and paste the link into the text chat. Once sent, it will show whether the time you chose in the Hammer Time is before or after the current time on the Discord server. So that's how you can set live timers and countdowns on Discord. So thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.